Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I DIY this beautiful kaftan outfit. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So for today's project I have taken 2 meters of floral cotton fabric. It will be better if you take a flowy fabric. So here we need 2 fabric panels, so we'll cut this folded side. Here the length of the kurti will be 35 inches, adding 2 inches for hem fold, so total will be 37 inches. Now fold the fabric once. Now mark 3/4 of an inch neck width. Front neck depth will be 5.5 inches. Now draw a U neckline shape. Take 1.5 inches back neck depth. First we'll cut the back neck, then separate one back piece, then we'll cut the front neck. To finish the neckline, we need 1/4 of an inch wide bias strip. Now join the strip in this way. With the help of the bias strip, we'll finish the neckline. In the bottom, we'll double fold 1.5 inches. Now join the shoulders at ½ inch margin. Here you can finish sides by double fold 1 inch, but here I will attach a contrast color fabric strip. Here we need 2-inch wide strip. Now in this way we have to attach it. Here I am taking standard medium size, so we'll mark at 10 inches. Here we'll take 9 inches armhole. We'll mark hip length at 21 inches. We'll mark waist length at 14 inches. Here on the waist we have to attach this strip. The length of the strip will be same 20 inches. Width will be 1.75 inches. Stitch both side edges. In the same way, attach it to the other side. We have to do the same marking in the right side of the fabric. Here my waist round is 28 inches. I reduced 3 inches, so here we'll take 25-inch long elastic. So with the help of the safety pin, I insert the elastic in the waist. Here we have to pull the elastic and give stitches in the middle. Now we'll stitch the bottom pajama. So for pajama I have taken 2 meter of cotton fabric. We'll cut this folded side. Total length of the pajama will be 36 inches, adding 2 inch for waistband and adding 2 inch for hem fold. So total will be 40 inches. On the top mark 2 inches for waistband fold. In the bottom mark 2 inch for hem fold. Now we'll mark our crotch length. So here we'll take our hip round. So mine is 38 inches, dividing it by 4. Then adding 2.5 inches ease. So here we'll take 12 inches. Here we'll mark our hip round. Mine is 38 inches, dividing it by 4. Then add 4 inch of ease plus half inch side margin. We'll get 14 inches. Here we'll take our crotch width. So my hip round is 38 inches, dividing it by 12 and reduce 1 inch on that. We'll get 2.1 inches. Here we'll divide our crotch length by 4. We'll get 3 inches. Here we'll take our bottom round. Mine is 20 inches, dividing it by 2. We'll get 10 inches, adding half inch side margin. So we'll take 10.5 inches. Sew both side crotch at half inch margin. Sew inside like at half inch margin. In the bottom double fold 2 inches. Leave some gap for elastic. Here my waist round is 28 inches. In elastic I reduced 3 inches, so we'll take 25 inches. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.